Good evening. The matter of discipline in sport, or the lack thereof in football in particular, was placed firmly on the front burner on Sunday. This with the Reggae Boys coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore being forced to flex his disciplinary muscles. It came hours before Jamaica's opening match at the CONCACAF Gold Cup against Caribbean Cup winners Curaçao. Now, less than an hour after naming his starting 11 for the match, Coach Whitmore asked two players, Darren Mattox and Corey Burke. This after the two strikers arrived late for the pre-match team meeting. They were replaced by Romario Williams and the veteran Jermaine Teddy Johnson. Now, while many would argue that making the changes to the starting 11 just 2 hours before the kickoff could amount to cutting off his nose to spite his face, sports commentary firmly supports Coach Whitmore's decision. The fact is that players need to behave professionally regardless of who is in charge of the team. And especially with Mattox and Burke playing professionally in North America, they should act better and set a better example for the up-and-coming players who are seeking contracts to play overseas. The fact is that players across all sporting disciplines need to show the same level of respect to all coaches, whether they are foreigners or locals. I'm Keon Rayner. Good evening.